Hey everyone, it's Lifestyle Projection here to drop some knowledge about an organ we don't talk about enough. Your liver. Think of it as your own personal detox center working tirelessly behind the scenes to filter out all the junk and keep your system running clean. But let's be real, with the amount of processed foods, environmental toxins, and let's not forget stress we face every day, our livers are putting in serious overtime. That's why today we're going to break down some science-backed strategies to give your liver the TLC it deserves. We're talking real sustainable changes, not those crazy crash diets or cleanses that leave you feeling worse. So grab your water bottles, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the fascinating world of liver detox. Alright, before we get into the specifics, what is your biggest health challenge? Let's take a moment to appreciate the powerhouse that is your liver. I'm talking about a non-stop detoxification machine, working 24/7 to process everything you eat, drink, and even absorb through your skin. Think of it like the body's own personal filtration system. Now, liver detoxification happens in two main phases. Phase 1 is like the initial breakdown, where your liver uses special enzymes like this cool one called cytochrome P450 to break down toxins into smaller, more manageable compounds. Once those toxins are broken down, phase 2 swoops in to neutralize them and get them ready for elimination. This is where your liver really shines, using a variety of pathways to make sure those toxins are escorted out of your body through bile, urine, or even your stool. Now here's the key takeaway for a truly effective detox. We need to support both phases of liver detoxification. That means providing our bodies with the right nutrients to fuel those enzymatic processes. And just as importantly, minimizing our exposure to toxins that overload the liver in the first place. Think of it like this: you wouldn't expect your car to run smoothly if you only changed the oil, but kept putting in the wrong fuel, right? It's all about balance and giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. In the next few chapters, we'll dive into specific foods, lifestyle habits, and even some powerful herbs and supplements that can supercharge your liver's detox abilities. But remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand how your liver works, the better equipped you'll be to make choices that support its optimal function. So, stay tuned, because we're about to unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you, all thanks to a happy, healthy liver. Alright, let's talk food. We all know that eating a balanced diet is crucial for overall health, but did you know that certain foods can actually enhance your liver's natural detoxification processes? It's true. Let's start with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to boost those phase 2 detox enzymes we talked about earlier. In fact, a 2014 study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that these veggies can actually enhance liver detox and even reduce the risk of liver disease. Next up, we have the golden child of the spice world, turmeric, or more specifically, its active compound, curcumin. This potent anti-inflammatory not only gives your dishes a vibrant hue, but also protects your liver cells from damage. A 2013 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that curcumin can actually reduce liver fat buildup and inflammation, two major culprits in liver dysfunction. Now, let's not forget about our pungent friends, garlic and onions. These kitchen staples are high in sulfur compounds that have been shown to enhance detox enzyme activity. Garlic in particular is a rock star when it comes to boosting glutathione, the body's master antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting the liver from damage. Another liver-loving food is beets. These vibrant root vegetables are rich in betaine, a nutrient that assists the liver in processing fats and toxins. A 2012 study found that beet juice actually improves liver enzyme function, helping your body detoxify more efficiently. And last but not least, we have our citrusy friends, lemons and other citrus fruits. These tangy delights are loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports various detoxification pathways. But that's not all. Citrus fruits also contain flavonoids, plant compounds that have been shown to reduce liver inflammation. So there you have it. By incorporating these liver-loving foods into your diet, you can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support optimal liver function and enhance its natural detoxification processes. We've covered the power of food, but remember, a holistic approach to liver health goes beyond just what's on your plate. Your lifestyle choices play a huge role in supporting your liver's natural detoxification processes. First and foremost, stay hydrated. Water is essential for flushing out toxins from your body through your kidneys and bile. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day to keep those detoxification pathways flowing smoothly. Intermittent fasting is another powerful tool for giving your liver a much-needed break. When you fast, your body shifts its energy from digestion to other processes, including detoxification. A 2019 study published in Cell Metabolism found that fasting can actually reduce liver fat and improve detoxification processes. Now let's talk about what to avoid. We all know that excessive alcohol consumption is detrimental to our health, and your liver is no exception. Excess alcohol puts a huge strain on your liver, leading to fatty liver disease and other serious complications. So, moderation is key. Processed foods are another culprit when it comes to liver burden. These often contain artificial additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that your liver has to work overtime to process. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible to give your liver a break. And don't underestimate the power of movement. Regular exercise boosts blood circulation, which in turn helps your liver filter toxins more efficiently. A study published in Hepatology found that regular exercise can actually reduce liver fat accumulation, further supporting your liver's health. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a holistic one. By incorporating these simple yet effective habits into your routine, you can create an environment where your liver can thrive and perform its detoxification duties with ease. Now let's explore the world of herbs and supplements that have been used for centuries to support liver health and detoxification. While it's important to note that supplements should never replace a healthy diet and lifestyle, they can provide an extra boost to your liver's natural detoxification processes. One of the most well-known liver-supporting herbs is milk thistle, or more specifically, its active compound silymarin. Silymarin acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting liver cells from damage and even boosting glutathione levels. A 2017 meta-analysis published in Phytotherapy Research found that milk thistle extract can actually improve liver function in people with liver disease. Next up, we have dandelion root tea, a gentle yet effective liver tonic. Dandelion root supports bile production, which is essential for fat digestion and toxin elimination. Traditional medicine has long revered dandelion root for its ability to cleanse the liver and support overall digestive health. Another potent liver detoxifier is N-acetylcysteine, or NAC for short. NAC is a precursor to glutathione, meaning it provides your body with the building blocks it needs to produce this master antioxidant. In fact, NAC is so effective at boosting glutathione levels that it's actually used in hospitals to treat acetaminophen overdoses, proving its detoxification prowess. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. By incorporating these herbal allies into your routine, you can provide your liver with an extra layer of support and enhance its natural detoxification processes. So there you have it, the science of liver detox broken down into actionable steps you can start implementing today. Remember, you don't need crazy cleanses or expensive detox products to support your liver. Your body is designed to detoxify naturally. You just need to give it the tools it needs to thrive. Focus on incorporating those liver-loving foods we talked about, like cruciferous veggies, turmeric, garlic, beets, and citrus fruits. Stay hydrated, incorporate intermittent fasting, and limit your intake of alcohol and processed foods. And don't forget about the power of movement. Get that body moving to boost circulation and support your liver's detoxification processes. If you're looking for an extra boost, consider incorporating some of the herbs and supplements we discussed, like milk thistle, dandelion root tea, and nuc. Which health topic do you want to learn more about? Always in consultation with your healthcare provider.